Was popping, survivors? American nature. What does it mean to be a true American? Well, in order to be a true American, you will have to live a life of debauchery. You will have to promote an ideology of ignorance. You would have to parade around the globe as a savior when you are a destroyer, as one of the most hypocritical statues since its conception. What does it mean to be American? To be American is to steal land from an Aboriginal people, divvy that land out to people that are foreign to that land, offer reparations to everybody of every nationality and every identifier to the mind. And ignore the fact that the Aboriginal people that are truly native to this land doesn't have anything. What does it mean to be American? To be American is to invite yourself into someone else's home, unpronounced. Claim that you're doing something for them by you being there. And then go into that person's refrigerator and take all sources of food out of it for themselves. That's American nature. In no other place on this planet does its populace of smart and intelligent people be an insult. We as the US have reached such a point of ignorance and stupidity that we believe that calling someone smart, intellectual, a geek or nerd is an insult. That's why it doesn't surprise me that to be a US citizen would be an individual that has a 5th grade reading level. Would be an individual in a country that can't even afford to live in it. To be a resident of a landmass that is primarily engineering off of credit. That's what it means to be an American. To be American is to own nothing and you will still be happy. World Economic Forum. To be an American, appearance is everything. So you will credit out a nice house, a boat, a luxury vehicle, beach houses, yachts. You would have all of this running solely on your credit. But be millions in debt. That's the US for you. It is to have a facade that you are more than what you appear. You are worth more than you actually are. That's American nature. To believe that everything pertaining to you is of the utmost importance. Entitlement that knows no bounds is what it means to be a U.S. citizen. An individual whose arrogance is such of a manifested perception that you begin to believe your own disillusion, your own illusion. Excuse me. Your deluded hiccups of reality.